So I man see don't panic black and I am mates. See don't panic black and I am mates. I man see don't panic black and I am mates. What going at the world, yeah. So you know I man say greetings, you know. In the name of His Imperial Majesty, King Jesus Christ. Jah over Jireh, conquering all the tribe of Judah, you know. I mean, I don't care if you love me or you miss me, or you feel like you want diss me. Once you realize that me and Jesus pick me, welcome to Meds. So you know, I sit down on the block and I am Meds, you know. Some of I friend them and supporters. Someone link the eye and say, what going on with Rasta Jawge? It's a long time we don't see Rasta Jawge, you know. So I have to come and make a Meds because it's a whole heap of things to talk about, you know. But uno claim so no miss me. But I don't receive a call on I phone and now. The I them know that I live at Garvey Drive. And I know the I them don't link the I and say Rasta Jawge. Everything alright with you and Pride and Simba and the Empress. None of them don't link me. Me are watching you know. The eye is watching you know. And Jah watching you too. So I sit up on the block and I am Meds, you know. What really like I go on Garvey Drive, Rasta? It's years now that I live off Garvey Drive and I see a tenement yard and every year I get flooded out. Every year I see cars swim on Garvey Drive and people are dive off on Garvey Drive because them can't escape the water. Every year is flooding. Every year them try to something else to the road them can't fix it. With all the engineering in Jamaica, they can't fix one little road. When they can't fix a road so when rain fall, the water don't settle up on the road. You know what I can tell the government to do? We need to make some overhead passing for Garvey Drive since they can't fix the problem down at the bottom. Build some overhead passing. And the next thing, change it from Garvey Drive to something else because Garvey will not stand for this. Garvey was about repatriation and movement and upland mobility. This is going backward. Meds. So the last thing I said on Meds, you know, with all this rainfall and thing coming from Jah, what is NWC going to do with the water? They might come next week and say, oh, water levels low and we don't have no water in the pipe. We must stop it, you know. We must stop it. Make sure say January, February, and March, and April and May, the rest of water in the eye pipe, or I going to call upon Jah to bring down the lightning and thunder up on our office.